So here we are on the bus on our way to Milwaukee. There's Nathan. Blake?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. There's Aiden right there. Hi. And then the rest are up there. And I'm also on the bus.
David.
So which one better are we sleeping in?
We're evicted
Too bad.
It is 6:10, right? Yeah.
Yeah, and there's Blake. And here am I.
Look at all those carbs.
Business is booming. Okay, so we're gonna go get some breakfast.
Oh yeah, dude. I'm about to eat up some pancakes.
Are you enjoying your breakfast, Nathan? Yeah. Okay, Blake, what's the plan today?
Go to the Fiserv Forum, work on our drone. Aiden's gonna fly our drone. We're gonna win, and then we're gonna go to a market and we're gonna gobble down a cheeseburger.
Yummy, yummy.
And boom.
What he said.
We are just about there at the Fiserv Forum.
What?
All right, guys, let me just give you a quick view of what I'm seeing out here. It's pretty cool.
This is my mom's Chad face. What?
The Fiserv Forum! Stop! All right, everybody. So we're at the Fiserv Forum. There's Blake.
Oh yeah.
We just got in. Yeah. We're setting up all of our stuff. Here's the man himself, the drone flyer, Aiden Unseth.
Hi. I do this thing. Better be paid.
We're having issues with our drone. T-minus 3 hours until we have to fly. Our mechanics of the drone isn't bad. It's a circuitry issue with the power, and
Once we do that, then I gotta fly it with all the motors and sensors on it. So weigh it down a bit.
Here we are at the cage, where this man will be flying his drone through the course. It's gonna be exciting, guys. What do you two think? Are you excited?
We are ready for win this.
We're so excited.
And they're gonna fly the drone.
Yes. We wish him the best of luck. Guys, there's something really scary over there. There goes Aiden, setting his drone down. I'm excited. Way to go. Look at that, he landed it. Sarah, how do you think it went?
We killed that. We killed. Good kill. Like,
Good kill, like positive
Positive kill.
Like not actually kill.
Yeah.
How'd it go, Blake?
awesome. We had a good sensor layout, awesome drone flyer. We got through the hoops. We did everything we could. I mean, like,
Chef's kiss.
Son. Sun.
Hey, we got an update. We won. We got 2 awards. Was for social media and outreach.
Videos.
Woo! And then the other one we got the grand one. Woo! Nathan, what do you think? What do you think?
I think honestly, I think those videos are pretty.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It was fun flying.
Oh.
My highlight in the competition was the actual moment when we were competing. It was a little stressful, but it was super cool to see how the drone was flying and we could do everything we had to. It was really satisfying.
Hi, we are Lily, Anna, and Mayellen. And our favorite part of the drone trip was meeting new people, and we actually played this Kahoot, and it was so fun.
Yeah.
The other teams.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We also get to fly a drone in a
Oh my gosh,
TV,
it was
like
so
a
fun.
fake drone.
It was so fun to watch Aiden fly.
Yeah, that
It
was super cool. He did a really good
impressive.
job.
And we won thanks to David and
Yeah.
My highlight was the last few minutes before we actually competed and just getting everything in place. It was really satisfying. And the competition, of course.
My highlight was when we called last year's member. His name was Luke from the Netherlands, and he cheered us on. Cue a picture of Luke.
It was really fun when we got there, seeing everyone work together to help fix the drone, fix little problems. And then I had fun flying it and getting the points for it. It was really fun hearing everyone cheer me on and help. And everyone helped getting the awards that we got. Thank you. I said thank you.
When Aiden landed on top of the color platform, that was probably like one of my biggest highlights like today. I just like,
That was pretty
I
good.
feel like that was like the turning point of like our day. Or like the turning point of the competition was like doing that. Cause like I feel like that's like, it was gonna be like the hardest challenge.
I would say my highlight was when near the end when we were given our grand award. We won. We worked together. We pushed through it, and we managed to just completely dominate. It feels good winning. It feels good when you travel somewhere from your home and then you earn something out of it. That's my highlight.